Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making these adorable little onesie cookies. I'm making these as part of a groovy baby shower set. So I'm going to start by outlining the onesie with a 15-second royal icing consistency and then flooding it in with the same icing. Usually I don't go all the way to the edges, but this icing is not going to overflow. It's a little bit thicker, so I'll just give it a little shake to smooth it out and then use my scribe to pop any air bubbles. I'm making 4 different colors of these onesies to match the invitation, so you'll see that here. And when you're outlining your cookies, you want to go slow and stay as close to the edge as you can. And I'm not going to speed the video up for this outline, and you can see I'm just taking my time, and I will stop and turn the cookie as I need to in order to be able to see the edge of the cookie and stay close to the edge. And you can't really tell in the video, but I am lifting my icing bag up away from the cookie about a 1/4 inch so that I can make straight lines. And I'm just watching the icing and where it drops rather than watching my piping bag. Now that all of the cookies are flooded, I let them dry completely. And now I'm going to go back in and outline the cookie one more time just to add some details to the onesie. And once I'm done adding all of the details in the outline, I will use my scribe to go back to any start and stop points and just poke at it up and down with my scribe, just barely touching the icing, smooth out any peaks or bumps at the beginning or endings of any of my lines of icing. And then in another video, I made these cute little daisy royal icing transfers, and I'm just going to put a little dot of icing on the cookie and then stick the royal icing transfer daisy down. And these cookies are finished. I think they came out adorable. There's so many different ways you can decorate a onesie cookie. And here are the rest of the cookies from the Groovy Baby set. Stay tuned for those videos. They're coming up. And if you enjoyed this, please hit the like and subscribe button. I have new cookie tutorials every day. Peace out.